I'm Varshni GS, a final year biotechnology student, and as I stand on the cusp of my graduation, I find myself reflecting back at a journey that has been nothing short of transformative. While I was deciding on my college, RDC stood out not only for its academic reputation, but also for the opportunities it promised beyond the classroom. I believe that learning is just not limited to textbooks, and I felt that RE would be a place where I could grow as a student and as a person. In particular, biotechnology has fascinated me because I'm an avid lover of biology, and I feel this is a field where it intercepts with a real world impact and I can contribute meaningfully. My journey over here is a testament to that belief. The very first year of my engineering is quite different, as I was part of the pilot batch of IUCW NEP, also known as SPARK, and this was an initiative which enhanced learning through innovative teaching techniques and interdisciplinary collaboration. And this was a wonderful opportunity for me to explore beyond the traditional classrooms. And it also paved the way for me to lead the Women Empowerment Wing, which is a long awaited dream to contribute to a social cause. The biggest highlight of my college life was, as something Leste cannot believe, was the RDSat-1, which was India's first microbiological payload which went to space, and it was in collaboration with ISRO. It was a true privilege to be part of Team Antariksh and starting out as a member of a microbiology subsystem and moving on to lead the team as well as the project as the mission manager was truly a proud and defining moment in my life. And I'm sincerely thankful to RDC, the Department of Biotechnology, my mentors, for supporting us in this huge leap and making this happen. My college life, apart from this, was quite enriching as I've actively taken part in fests, social and cultural activities, and organizing events and engaging with the juniors has built up my skills and made me understand leadership, taught me leadership, strength, and teamwork and time management that in ways that a textbook could never. And of course, there were tough days. Balancing academics, personal goals, and expectations, meeting expectations wasn't always easy. But all of this taught me the patience and reliance and adaptability at these times. RP has not only shaped my knowledge, but it has shaped me as a person. It has transformed my perspective and fueled my ambition. I've grown to be a person who's confident at embracing new challenges, and this has opened the gates to the next chapter of my life. To the current students and the future students, here's my small advice. Say yes to opportunities, stay curious, and the lessons that you learn beyond your syllabus are the ones that will shape you as a person the most. Thank you.